I can't catch a break.
Oh, bless your heart.
Because I'm my favorite yard.
Oh, I guess that's going to get you out of mowing tomorrow now, isn't it?
You know, bring the rain.
Well, there we go.
We could always use some rain.
There we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Rain's good, yeah. Good for
Casey, make sure he mows the lawn this weekend.
We'll see. We'll see.
Give him a call. Give him a call.
She's a taskmaster.
There is rain, though, on the radar right now.
There is. It looks a little ominous right now to the north of Longview, and it's mostly cloudy. Of course, this is the downtown shot of the sky view here. Not a lot of wind in the area right now, and as you can see, showers and thunderstorms continue to make their mark just to the north of the area. A little bit of an ominous shape as this has moved from Gregg County into Harrison County, so this is something that will be worth watching, but nonetheless, it's mainly just some heavy rain, some lightning. There might be some pea-sized hail in some of those pinks that we're seeing. Now, up to the north and to the northwest, another pretty potent storm in northern Smith County. You can see near the Winona vicinity and Big Sandy. That's where we're tracking some heavy rain as well. Lots of lightning, a lot more lightning than the Gregg and Harrison County storm just to the north of Winona. So Highway 155, if you're driving northbound on Highway 155 from Tyler to, let's say, Big Sandy or Gilmer, it will be problematic if you're making that trip, so you might want to wait just a little bit longer. The one severe thunderstorm warning still technically in our viewing area. The most intense part of the storm is done. It's moving into Arkansas and northern Louisiana, and that's the most impressive radar presentation that I've seen so far. Still tracking those storms in northern Smith County, but as you look at Tyler, yeah, pretty ominous looking off to the north and to the west. Lots of clouds around. It's also starting to cool off just a little bit. We're at 76. Winds are now north-northwest at 16 miles per hour. Now, this is important because if we are seeing a northerly wind, that could be an indication that the fronts already moved through the area, so those temperatures are going to steadily be falling throughout the course of the evening. 60s, 70s, even an 80-degree reading from Henderson and Lufkin. Hemphill still at 85. It will be a while before those temperatures come down. The front's going to have to advance through the area, but showers and thunderstorms through 7 o'clock, and then they do weaken considerably by 9 as these storms make their way to the east. Part of the reason they're going to weaken is because we just lose the daylight. We lose that daytime heating. So the atmosphere is going to be less unstable. Still seeing a few showers after midnight through 2 o'clock, and then by 5, 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's really just a few showers to the south of Interstate 20, and then we do see some breaks in the clouds by the time we get into Friday afternoon. How much rain could we see? Well, if you do see that training of showers and thunderstorms, you might see over an inch of rainfall, but most of us just seeing anywhere from about a ½ inch to maybe an inch of rain. Lesser amounts up to the north from here on out, and then lesser amounts in deep East Texas as well. But some of us could see up to an inch. Locally higher amounts can't be ruled out either. Next 7 days, this is our decent rain chance right here. About a 30% chance of rain prior to daybreak tomorrow morning. We're at 68 tomorrow afternoon, 79 Saturday, 73 Sunday. 60s return Monday and Tuesday with a stronger front that will move through, and then we're in the 70s Wednesday and Thursday. Deep East Texas, similar deal, 70 tomorrow. We will be a little cooler tomorrow afternoon than what we were this afternoon. 82 Saturday, 60s expected to start out next week. Neil, Casey?
Carson, thank you.